Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me here in the backyard. And today we're looking at this really cool and innovative battery-powered pool cleaning robot. This is from a company called Degrii. This is the Zima Lite model. So we want to dive into all the details, the features, how it works, and how well it cleans the pool. Now I got everything unboxed. It's packaged very well. A few of the accessories that are included are there's this hook. This hook hooks onto your pole and you're able to pull it out of the water, so you just hook onto the handle right there. So that's included. We also have the charging cord. Now because this is battery powered, we're going to charge it up, and the charging port is right here on top of the pool robot. This just simply plugs in there. It even came with an international plug. This might be like for European plugs. It came with that, so it has both options. It comes with a nice quick start guide. Just a one page here. It goes through simple operations. It has QR codes to download the app for both Android and Apple. And then we also have a QR code that shows how to use the vacuum here. So this is a really simple one page quick start guide. And then it also has a more in-depth user manual that's very easy to read, and it's got some great pictures on it. So going through the robot, some of the operations here. Here's our plug. This is where we're going to charge it, and it has this nice plug here that we cover it up with when it's in the water, so that way it's going to help protect that from water getting in there. Here's our exhaust fan, so the water is going to go through the filters and exhaust up through the top. We have our mode selection here and our power button, and this is the Wi-Fi signal. So when we first turn it on, we'll want to see the Wi-Fi blinking so that we can connect it to our app and connect it to our Wi-Fi. One thing unique with this robot is it has huge filtering capacity. So it has filters on both sides of it here. So just by a push of this button right here, it pops this open, and it's got this nice filtration basket. This is where all the dirt, debris, rocks, hair, leaves, all that's going to be caught inside of the basket. Simply opens up by pushing down right there. It would be impressive if the filtering capacity was just this one basket here, but it has a similar size filter on this side as well. Same size, same filtering capacity, so it has huge filtering capacity. So if you have a lot of dirt, debris, leaves around in your area and you need a vacuum that has a large capacity, this will do a great job at that. It has this really big cleaning brush on the front here, and you can see how it's going to move independently. So it's going to move on. It's moving on these tracks on the side, which it moves all the way to the back here. And it has these these are like sponges. They're really hard when they're dry, but when they get wet, they get really soft. It's almost like a sponge cleaning brush that's going to help clean. You can see how this sponge right here got wet a little bit. It's wet here on the bottom, and when it gets wet, it gets nice and soft here. So it has two intakes. Because it has two filtering compartments, it sucks in water here and here, and this is where it's going to filter all that debris. So in these two intakes here, and then it has a little roller right here to kind of help it as it's navigating stairs and up on the wall to kind of help so it smoothly navigates throughout the pool. Okay, charging is very simple. We just take this plug off the top here, and then we just orient the plug to match the receptacle on the robot here. Push that down, and then we just spin this on. I like that this spins on. It's going to lock that connector on there. It's not going to accidentally get pulled out. And then we just plug the other end into a regular wall outlet, and we let it charge up. So we want to download the Degrii app. Once we have it downloaded, we can set up our robot. So we can name our robot. We set up the dimensions of the pool. This is going to give us we can start cleaning. We can choose the different modes from the phone here. We can choose how long we want it to run, the suction power. There's even lighting, LED lighting that we can change on here. From the settings of the app, we can go through our pool information. We can set up our pool shape, the type of surface, the actual dimensions, so we can put in our actual dimensions of the pool. So all this information is going to be helpful for the robot to properly navigate and clean the pool. And from the setting page, we go to device information. You want to go check for firmware updates. Make sure we're running the latest firmware and software updates. With the app downloaded and the robot fully charged up, we're ready to get it into the water. So now I'm just going to push the power button here, hold it down, and then I get this blinking cloud. That's the first mode. That's the app control mode. So you can control it from the app. If we push the power button again, it will allow us to switch between the different modes. So this is floor mode only. This is overall mode, where it's going to do the floor, walls, and the waterline. And then this last one is the walls and waterline only. And you can hear the motor comes on. And we just kind of give it a little push to help it sink to the bottom. Once the robot sinks to the bottom, it will start scanning and mapping out its cleaning path. This is unique for each pool. The Zima Lite doesn't just randomly go throughout the pool like other robots can. This one is equipped with an industry-first ultrasonic mapping and navigation system. It's equipped with 2 smart radar sensors and provides 30% faster scanning and mapping abilities, which accurately detects obstacles for efficient and seamless cleaning paths. It's continuously optimizing the cleaning experience by efficiently cleaning in a zigzag pattern, which allows it to efficiently reach all of the corners and areas of the pool. It has an impressive 4,000 gallons per hour of suction power, and with 3 hours of runtime, it can filter 12,000 gallons of water per cleaning cycle. As a reference, my pool has just over 14,000 gallons of water, so almost all of the water is getting circulated and filtered during that cleaning cycle. The app is extremely easy to use and customizable to your pool specific type, shape, and dimensions. You can choose your preferred cleaning mode and duration. You can customize the cleaning schedule with Eco mode and review and rate the cleaning history for a tailored experience. The Zima Lite navigates around the pool with ease. It avoids obstacles. The roller on the bottom of the robot helps it from getting stuck on pool drain grates and returns. It's able to climb the walls with ease and effectively scrub the waterline. It handles the stairs very well, which in my pool I have 4 sets of stairs and seats to navigate through. The cordless battery-powered design makes cleaning your pool much easier than dealing with long cords that just get in the way or get tangled up. It has a large 9,300 milliamp hour battery, so it can run up to 3 hours on a single charge, which can allow it to run 3 to 5 complete cycles before needing to be recharged. The filtering capacity is very impressive. It has up to 6.5 liters of capacity with the 2 separate filter compartments and has 180 micron fine filters to clean out all the debris from the water. After a cleaning cycle or when the battery is low, the robot will park itself near the edge of the pool for easy retrieval out of the water. It also features a 2-year warranty. The filter basket and roller brushes have a 1-year warranty. All right, now the robot's finished. It goes right here to the edge, and I'm just going to use the included hook here, pull it up. Let the water drain out. So now I'm going to check the basket, see how much debris we collected from the pool. Now we have 2, so there's basket number 1, quite a bit of stuff there. Quite a bit in that one as well. Both of the filtering baskets are easy and convenient to clean by just spraying them out with a garden hose. The Zima Lite has completed a 2-hour cleaning cycle of the floor, and the pool is now very clean. All of the debris on the bottom has been collected, and it's done a great job. All right, guys, so overall, I'm impressed with this robot. It did a great job cleaning the pool. Very comprehensive, cleaning the wall, the water lines, the floor of the pool. So a few things stand out to me with this robot. One is the large filtering capacity. It has huge filtering capacity, as well as a very large battery. A 3-hour runtime battery is huge for a battery-powered robot like this. What's nice about the large battery and the large filters is you can leave it in the pool for a few days and run just 1-hour cycles at a time. So you don't have to take it out after every cycle. You can let it run for an hour. Next day it can run for another hour and so forth. Then take it out, then charge it and clean it, and you're good to go. I also feel that it's a good value when it comes to the price you pay for it and the features that you get. Really is a great value. I think it competes very well against robots that are even higher priced than this one. So guys, be sure to see the link to this down below. I'll leave a link. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.